Okay, hello everyone. I'm going to be showing you what I'm bringing with me on my trip to Jamaica. I filmed this and the audio was horrible. So, yeah, we're gonna see how this goes. So, I'm bringing these lashes, even though I have extensions in, I'm bringing these lashes because, I mean, why not, you know? And then I'm bringing this eyebrow pomade by Anastasia, and then these two eyeshadow palettes. This one is from some website that got taken down a long time ago. This is expired, bitch, but I'm gonna still use it because eco-friendly. The mirror is broken. I just realized that. And anyway, I love these colors. Very neutral. Very, I can be razzle dazzle with the little red colors. And then the elf palette has like a brown shadow I use on my brows and stuff. Okay, that's the eyeliner. That's the liquid eyeliner. That's my lash glue. I'm not bringing that one. That one sucks ass. This is my brow pencil by AOA. AOA is a great brand. It's just that that eye glue, that eyeliner glue stays sticky. My two concealers I'm gonna bring, which are I forgot the name, but you guys see it. Yes. And then this AOA primer, love it. Super moisturizing. And then I'm gonna bring these powders with me. This is like a loose Kat Von D powder. Hopefully it works good. I have never used it. I just have it, and instead of bringing my big ass one, I'm just gonna bring that little one. And then I have an AOA, another powder. This one's clear, like not clear, but translucent. And then I have my NYX bronzer that I love, my little sponge. Y'all see that boy? And then these lip colors. I have a lipstick I want to bring, but I could not find it, so I'm just gonna bring this, like, again, another Kat Von D product. And I love all these colors except for like the middle one, that nude. It's okay, I don't know. And then me finally showing my face. So yeah, I have extensions in. They're pretty much almost gone on this. Well, they're not almost gone, but this eye, the front's pretty bare and the middle's good. The ends are gone and the front's gone. This side, same thing pretty much. I accidentally took a photo of myself, but anyway, so I redyed my hair. I'll show like a better thing of it later when it's done, but I wanted to come on here and talk about what I packed in my bag here, because I had filmed something, but I am not gonna post that because that's embarrassing. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what's inside. So sorry if you guys hear the fan. The fan is right there and it's kind of hot, you know, Florida. La-dee-dee, la-dee-doo. I know y'all see my crystals. They're like kind of fucked up because I put my phone here last night. I never put my juice. You know what? Hold on. Wait a damn. I don't know what this is, but I have a bunch of my crystals here. I have some behind this little piece of I don't even know what this little bucket is, but yeah, I love my little crystals. If you see ants, they're coming in through the window. Nature, I don't know what you want me to tell you, but I love my crystals. They're so beautiful baking in the sun. I don't know if some of these should be in the sun, but I put them in the sun, you know. Maybe that's why I've been really sad recently. I don't. So I have recorded this like 3 times already. The audio on this is horrible. All you heard was the fan, and I really hope you don't hear the fan again on this one. But anyway, so this is my bag, my toiletry bag, I guess you could say. This doesn't have any liquids in it because this is the one I'm gonna put in my carry-on, and I don't want to have to like open my carry-on. But anyway, oh yeah, so you can see all the dried stuff on this: toothpaste, lotion, you know what it is. I mean, this is like my skincare bag. Anyway, so we have deodorant. Y'all see the damn thing, Dio, the best one. Next up we have my loofah, and I really like this loofah. What's next? Who's next? I have this little bag of hair stuff. So I have like hair clips, butterfly clips, hair jewelry, bobby pins. I don't remember what the hair jewelry is called. I'm just gonna call it hair jewelry. So that I know they have a name, I just can't think of it. And yeah, so if you guys want links or anything, just let me know and I will let you know. But this is all from Shein. Yeah. What's next? Oh, you know, a hairband because I have a big ass forehead. Ear cleaners. You already know what the fan is for. You know it's gonna be hot in Jamaica. Also, to use to dry my face when I use setting spray. A toothbrush. I was really shocked about these. I was talking about this for like a good minute because for it to come with a little plastic top, I was like shook because normally you have to buy the toothbrushes and then buy the top. So it was nice that they came with it. And then toothpicks.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away, come chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around.
All I did so far is my eyebrows and concealer. Not the bottom falling off.
You checked the shower already?
Yeah, man. You didn't shower yesterday?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. It's nice.
A little frigid though.
It's okay. I shower with cold water. It's good for your skin, man. It keeps you looking young.
Yeah?
Yeah. How do you think I look so young?
Oh, I didn't know that.
Everything smells like your cologne. Okay, and now I'm gonna wipe that off.
You might be upset, but you don't have it.
She'll be okay.
You don't, if you don't get over it, go on.
She'll be okay, Dad.
What do you think I'm gonna do? If you don't get over it, what do you think I'm gonna do?
I don't know. Fire her. Promote me. Promote me and fire her. Add a little color back into my face. So I'm gonna add this. The lighting is so bad. See if I can find something here. Like Dad's cologne spilled in my bag. So now everything smells like his cologne. And then I lost my glasses. Come to find out they were on my head. Hold on. I wish I had somewhere to put you guys. Like, I feel like right here is so bad. Maybe I could do my eyeliner on camera. Let's see how that goes. Jeez.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is